first official Icelandic hike to Glymur! Woohoo! It's pretty sad how much garbage I've already seen. I'm trying to be careful about keeping all of our garbage and not leaving it where we shouldn't. Hiking to Glymur and elsewhere in this area is at your own risk and responsibility. Hiking boots are highly recommended. Careful along the cliffs, falling could be fatal. There's a log over the river only in summertime, but then it says log is over the river. Well, we'll see how that goes. I'm thinking Francisco's gonna have to carry me anyway.
We're walking to Glymur. Is that your walking in Glymur dance?
You said it like a song. You were like walking through Glymur.
I was kind of singing. I'm excited. First full day in Iceland. Yeah, it is absolutely breathtaking here. I've only been here a day and I love it. It's interesting having gone from Paris, where we're in cities and metros and cars and taxis, to this. Like just yesterday, we were walking in and out of patisseries and getting some pavlova at the La Meringue, and now we're hiking the Glymur Waterfall. Oh, that's pretty.
I'm scared.
Come on! Why are you just standing there? God, what's gonna happen when we get to the actual river?
You're carrying me? So how long have we been hiking?
20 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah.
It feels like longer. What are you doing? We got an hour hike. He's making his way back down now. The good news is we're still on the right path to Glymur. We're only like a half hour in and we still have at least a half hour to get to some kind of view, and then I think it's 3 hours to get to a better view, so we'll see.
No one falls on there, but there'd be no sound. I'm saving the GoPro for the log. I'm gonna need both hands. Careful, baby. I know, that's fucked up. I don't know how you could come here and do that.
I know, how could you be somewhere so beautiful?
How could you walk all the way over here and do that?
It's awful. You might want to record on mine because your cave fix came out dark.
It is very dark.
Careful.
I did that on purpose. Oh wow, look at that.
I can't.
Oh, careful now. Goddamn, those people with the baby can fucking move. They're at the log already. Getting ready to cross that.
Francisco said it was wet. And his feet got pretty wet. So I'm gonna play it safe and put on my water shoes.
What? You can't even get that far? Right there, the flat one. Yeah. Use both hands. I think I duck under right here. Just right here. Your feet are gonna get wet. Okay. You wanna go first or you want me to go first? It's not the brightest thing we've ever done. Oh, he's getting all wet.
Yay, we made it to the waterfall. Haha, just kidding. It's still way over there. We just hiked up this crazy passageway. Crazy, but awesome. We're definitely gonna remember this one.
That is beautiful.
Look at that.
Let's go to the where that there's that like sandy colored rock right there.
How hard would it be to get like right there?
I think really hard. This is what it's like being married to a vlog right now. I gotta fucking do everything twice. Ooh, la di da di da. Oh wow, look how incredible that is. Man.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
watch where you are. It was all pretty shallow.
We're on our way back from Glymur. Back through the cave.